Welcome friends. My name is Shubham Chandrakant Mahajan. I am studying in B.Sc third year. My college name is Adarsh College Hingoli and this seminar is guidances by Hatkar. I am telling you the mathematics portion of numerical analysis. The topic name is the operator delta. What do you mean by operator delta? The definition of operator delta is the consider a function y is equal to f of x. Consider a consequently values of x differing a comma a plus h, a comma a plus 2h, comma a plus 3h. The corresponding values of f of x are f of a, comma f of a plus h, comma f of a plus 2h, comma f of a plus 3h. The values of the independent variable corresponding to that argument is called entry. The differences between the interval of the difference. The differences f of a plus h minus f of a, comma f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h, comma f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h, etc. Function y is equal to f of x, denoting these differences by delta f of a, comma delta f of a plus h, comma delta f of a plus 2h, etc. We have delta f of a is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a, delta f of a plus 2h minus h is equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h. Delta f of a plus 2h is equal to f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h. Delta f of a plus 3h is equal to f of a plus 4h minus f of a plus 3h. Differences of these first differences are called second differences, denoted by delta square f of a, comma delta square f of a plus h, comma delta square f of a plus 2h. Therefore, delta square f of a is equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a. Delta square f of a plus h is equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h. Delta square f of a plus 2h is equal to delta f of a plus 3h minus delta f of a plus 2h. The differences of these set differences: delta cube f of a, comma delta cube f of a plus h, comma delta cube f plus 2h. Therefore, delta cube of f of a is equal to delta square f of a plus h minus f of a. In general, delta n f of a, delta square f of a is equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a is equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a plus h minus f of a plus h plus f of a is equal to f of a plus 2h minus 2f f of a plus h minus f of a. Delta cube of f of a is equal to delta square f of a plus h minus delta square f of a. And delta square f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h minus delta f of a plus 2h plus delta f of a. Delta f of a plus 3h minus delta f of a plus 2h minus 2f of a plus 2h plus 2f of a plus h plus f of a plus h minus f of a. Delta is the use of the finding the values of functions in the numerical analysis. Thank you for watching my video.